electrocute you. So please leave them alone. When you set your goals, please see that they are realistic. Suppose you decide to go to Calcutta during these holidays. You book your ticket and then you say halfway through, by the time you reach Delhi, you get into the train from Chandigarh station, and then by the time you reach Delhi, you say, why should I go to Calcutta? Let me go to Bombay. All right? And what do? Get down at Delhi and book for a ticket to go to Bombay. Your aim is not sure. You're not sure of your aim and you don't know your destination. All right. 2 days you spend on the railway station trying to get a ticket for Bombay. Eventually, you get the tickets and then you get into the train, and after where you reach, maybe midway, you say, no, Bombay is going to be very crowded and very, very humid. Let me not go to Bombay. And what do? Where do you want to go now? All right, Goa now. Is there a direct train to Goa? Probably not. So, what do you have to do? Then you have to take a lift. Yes, take a lift from somebody and then maybe get into a taxi. And by the time you get to Goa, you realize the school is going to open and you have to be back. So what do? Come back. Have you achieved anything? So the idea which class 8 was trying to put across to you, that we have to set our aims. Right now your aim should be that let me become a good human being. No one, a good, disciplined human being. No one is going to look into your copies, into your report cards. Everyone whom you meet is going to judge you by the way you talk, by the way you walk, and the way you behave. Most important is behave. So your aim is that we have to help our human beings, other human beings, not only other human beings, even animals, even plants, everyone we have to help. And that should be our aim, correct? As we grow up, we decide that what we have to do in life. And that will always you will succeed if you aim at becoming a better person. All right? Can we do that? Help each other. Does that mean that if the other person doesn't agree with you, your friends don't agree with you, you start fighting, boxing each other, tearing at each other's throat? And that's what you do, children, which is not a very good idea. Our aim is to become good human beings. Our aim is to become ruffians. What is our aim? Louder. So let's all work for that. These assemblies are merely not getting together and missing out on one period. These assemblies are for you to learn something. Are you learning from that question a day? Yes. Are you really learning something from that? Yes. And the assemblies also you have to learn. All right? I think one question for every day can be, how did the assembly impress me today? Today's assembly. Can you all write that? Yes. 2 sentences only. Correct, children? Yes. And how I intend following that. May you all sail on the ship of ambition and anchor on the harbor of success. Thank you.